Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. Yeah, we're back. I was on holiday for a couple of days. I did upload some videos, which you saw every single day, and I think today and tomorrow there are also still videos that were like pre-planned. So that's pretty interesting. They came out. Let me know what you thought of those, but I didn't make any updates. So here we are back again with a little bit of a recap of Ethereum. Like I also said in the Bitcoin video, tomorrow we'll probably take a look at next week. So to kind of see what kind of economic events and stuff come. This will be more of a recap. But while we're doing the recap, obviously I'm also talking about what I expect for next week. And there are some interesting things, I think, when we're taking a look at the market structure. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we start with Ethereum though, I do want to let you know that, as you can see from the top, that if you want to join my Signal group, follow my trades, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you will find instructions on how to join together with a link to BYBIT. I'm partnered with BYBIT. They're my main exchange. I think they're the best exchange to use for trading. So if you're still looking for such an exchange and you want some bonuses, check out that link as well. But now onto Ethereum. So the interesting thing, I mean, first of all, we're bullish. I mean, there's also in July, there's some bullish catalysts. We're mainly bullish because of bullish news for Bitcoin with the ETF. Dollar strength index obviously is a little bit weaker, but we also have that Celsius, which is obviously a big platform that went bankrupt last year, is turning a lot of crypto into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that could have that at least has a little bit of bullish impact. I would say, I would think. So that happens from, well, basically the entire next month. I'm not sure if the price impact will be significant, but at least it's something good to know. So if we take a look at Ethereum right now, obviously with this bullish momentum around the 21st of June, we already broke above all of the downtrends. So there we really turned bullish. But what's interesting, I think, and this is something I saw while analyzing this morning, is that you kind of had this short-term bearish momentum right here. The last couple of days, which you can see, we really we went down all the way to the 200 EMA and the 382 FIB, which, by the way, if you bought from that, great buy area. I would have bought from there as well if I could, if I wasn't in Greece. But yeah, great buy area right there. But you can also see that we actually respected that yesterday, even though we also got some bad news with the Bitcoin ETF. And then we broke above that. So on a lot of fronts right now, we just had a bullish breakout because we broke out above this little bullish flag, you could call it. Oh, I'm deleting my EMA right there. So we broke out above that. But apart from that, we also broke above this level right here, around 1900 or 1910, which is a level, I would say, like the entire level between 1940 and 1900 is the same level. But then again, we never really in the last week managed to break above 1916, and now we did manage to do that. So we got a lot of bullish breakouts, which is great. That would actually say that the price would go up to this level right here now around 2020, which is the next level. I expect us to get there. The problem is that it's the weekend now. All right, so I would, if this was on a Tuesday, I would say great bullish breakout. We will continue up to 2000. But because it's weekend right now and the volume is dropping down, I'm not too sure that we'll be able to hold that. And I think it's a little bit more likely now that we will actually not hold 1910 and 1900 as a support. But that will drop down to these levels again, around 1860. And that from there, at some point next week, we'll be able to break above 1915 and 1920 again, and then rally up to that level around 2000 and 2020. Because at this point of time, like I said, I mean, we broke through this massive downtrend. If you zoom out, it's definitely deserved that we would get a rally up a little bit higher, and then from there we'll see again whether we can actually break above that and get towards like 2150. But yeah, that initial we'll talk about that more often, but that's something I expect, even though I expect a little bit of a pullback over the next 24 hours. But that's my take on Ethereum. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.